What's up guys, it's Meaty Matt over here at Wood Cycle Country, New Braunfels, Texas. Gonna do a quick walk around on the 2021 Can-Am X3 Maverick. This is the XRS Turbo RR edition. Guys, this is a 900cc triple cylinder turbocharged motor. The Turbo RR designates that it's a 195 horsepower model. Starting in the front, we've got some cool features. LED headlights are gonna come standard on this machine. Bright you up through the night instead of those dull halogens that are gonna be typical on most models. Also up here, some Fox 2.5 podiums with reservoirs. It's going to allow you to jump anything, hit rocks, and you're really going to recover from it well. Also, which comes standard on these machines, which is pretty cool, are the 30-inch Bighorn tires, 14-inch real bead locks, which is a nice add-on. Most people are going to have to spend $2,000 to $3,000 on wheels and tires off the bat when they buy these machines, and this X3 is going to come ready to roll. Just like this. Going into the cab, we've got some really comfortable seats. They're going to come with a nice seating position. You're not too high, not too low. The hood allows you to see over real well so you can see your obstacles when you're hitting those trails. Also, 4-point harness, going to keep you strapped in for any accidents that could happen or just keep you steady when you're driving. Adjustable steering wheel with a big screen on this baby, 7 inches, all digital. Up here, you've got electronic 4x4 front diff lock. Trail and trail active mode. This baby's got a sport and eco mode. Low and high beams over here. Pretty simple shifter down here. It's going to lock in, so when you're riding those trails, it's not going to pop into a different gear. You're in reverse, neutral, high and low gear. Handlebar for your passenger when you go a little too crazy, so they have some to hold on to. Also a little handle inside the door. Really easy to pull. Just got a little latch right there on each door. Going to the back. Same thing, really cool exhaust. It's a single exit right here. Can-Am does have some really good add-ons. They partnered with Yoshimura. They've got a triple exit exhaust. Really cool. Radius rods, axles, trailing arms, everything is really heavy duty on this machine. Like I said, you really don't have to do anything to take this machine straight to the trail. Another feature that is really cool that comes on this machine is the poly roof. You know, a lot of these machines are just coming with a roll cage only, so it's really nice to just be able to buy this machine, go straight to the trail, straight to the dunes, wherever you want to go. This machine's going to take you there. Other than that, guys, you know, color match springs to the paint colors. This is a desert tan model. This model does come in all black. They call it the triple black model. Besides that, just solid machine. Can't say enough about how awesome this X3 is. Definitely recommend getting one and hitting the trails today. Guys, come see us, Wood Cycle Country, New Braunfels, Texas.